All right, so connecting your Google Workspace is a complete pain. So I thought I'd go ahead and make a video for you guys showing you exactly how to do this. These are some of the most important integrations that you can do on n8n. And this is what most of you guys are going to be using either for yourselves or your clients. They're going to be wanting to connect things to Google Docs, Sheets, Drive, create calendar events. Let's get right into it. Go to Google and search up Google Cloud Console. And then click on the first one and it's going to take you here. Now, first things first, make sure you're actually logging into the same account that you're logged into n8n on. Make sure you're logged into that same Google account. So to access the Google Cloud products and services, you have to click this. Click try for free. You're just going to need to put your payment information on. So put your payment information in. So just sign in and put your payment information in. They're not going to charge you for it. So now that you've added your payment information, let's create a project so we can have these credentials. So click my first project and you're going to create a new project. And let's just call this n8n activation and click save. So now that it's created, let's go into the project. If you click into my first project, it'll usually say select project. Click n8n activation. Let's open that. So to actually connect to the different Google products, we need to connect to Google Drive. So go in here and then search up Google Drive. And this is exactly what we're looking for right here, the Google Drive API. So click on that, just click enable. Now it's pretty simple. Just repeat for each Google product that you want to incorporate with their APIs. So let's go to Google Slides, Google Slides API, click enable. Now Google Docs. Now Google Sheets. Now Gmail. I know this is pretty tedious, but it's relatively quick. And now you can actually have everything created so you can start creating automations. It's really quite stupid how they haven't productized this enough yet to where you can just click one button. But regardless, it only takes a couple minutes to set this up. Google Calendar. And again, this is extremely repetitive, but the nice thing is you only have to do this once. Okay, so after you get everything connected, all you're going to do is you're going to hit this navigation menu in the top left-hand corner. Click on this, go down to APIs and services, and click the OAuth consent screen. Now, I know just looking at this menu, it looks like there's a shit ton of information on here, so don't even worry about it. If you ever get lost or stuck, just go to the top left-hand corner, just click this navigation menu, and then you'll find your place right back to where you're supposed to be. So just go to the APIs and services, go to OAuth consent screen. Now choose get started. So for the app, let's just put n8n. For the user support email, just use your email. I'm going to choose external because it just means we can add external users to actually use the application. So add ourselves, we can add other people as well as team members and click next. And then Google wants a way to actually get in contact with you. So let's just add your information, click next, finish, okay, and create. Head over to the audience on the left side and go down to test users. And here we're just going to add our own email. And now that we made those changes, make sure you publish the app. Otherwise it won't save. Make sure you publish the app. And now we're good to go. So let's go back to testing. Next, go to the overview tab. And again, if you got lost, just go to the APIs and services OAuth consent screen and go to the overview tab. Now just click create OAuth client. So the type of application is a web application. The name obviously doesn't matter. Let's just call it n8n for simplicity's sake. Skip this. All right. Skip the authorized JavaScript origins. Just completely skip that. Go down to authorized redirect URIs and click add URI. Now, to actually get this URL, we need to go back to n8n. So let's just go into this Google Drive. Let's click create new credential. And then if you see this link right here, this is what we need. Click copy, and then let's go back and then just paste it right here with your authorized redirect URIs. So now you have URIs 1, and it's this link right here. So that's good to go. So let's click create, and we're done with the step. Now we want to be on this clients page. After that step, just click the pencil. So now we have access to our client ID, and then we also have access to our client secrets. And once again, in this step, it's kind of repetitive. We're just going to be connecting a bunch of credentials over to n8n directly so we can actually connect them. So now all we have to do, if you want to think about it like we're just activating each component, that's what we need to do in order to make sure that they work. So let's go back to our Google Cloud and click copy for client secret. If we open up Google Drive and n8n and we click create new credential, now we can see the client ID and client secret. So all we're doing is we're going back, client secret, copy, and paste. And let's go back. Let's find that client ID, copy, and paste. And we're just going to save that. And now just sign in with Google. Choose the right Google account. So it says Google hasn't verified this app. So all you're going to do is click advanced and then go to the link, and then select all. And then you're just going to allow access. Click continue. Connection successful. And now you're all set. So now let's go to Gmail and do the exact same thing. Click save. And we're going to sign in with Google, continue, and connection successful. Let's go into Docs. Let's do the same thing for Docs. Create new credential. Same thing, client ID. I'm sure at this point you guys are getting the point. It's pretty straightforward. Client secret, copy and paste where it says client secret. Not rocket science. Click save. You're just doing the exact same thing for every single one. All right, so now you guys are all set with giving n8n access to view your Google credentials so you can actually use them in your automations, which is fantastic. I mean, I use these every single day when I'm building out my automations for myself and my clients. If you guys want help building and scaling your own agency with AI, or want me to come into your business and help you to build and optimize your workflows, book a call down below. I have my Calendly link down there, and leave any questions down in the comments in case I missed something. I'll be more than happy to make a video on it in the near future. I'll see you guys in the next video.